Hi guys, welcome to Control Shift Eat and you're watching Cook with Shweta. So today we're going to make some chocolate chunk Horlicks cookies. So you heard it right, I'm going to use chocolate Horlicks to make these cookies. So without wasting any time, let's get to the recipe. So here in a mixing bowl, I've taken 100 grams of butter. Butter is soft and it is at room temperature. To this, I'm adding around half a cup of powdered sugar. Now we have to whisk this mixture till it is light and fluffy. After the sugar and butter mixture are combined properly, we are going to add around 1/4 cup of chocolate Horlicks. So guys, make sure that you're using measuring cups to measure all these ingredients to get perfectly baked cookies. Next we're going to add some salt, around half teaspoon, and we're going to combine it. Once it is well combined, we'll add 1 cup of whole wheat flour. So combine it gently to get a breadcrumb like texture. So this is how it looks. Next we're going to add around 1/4 cup of milk to form a dough and some baking soda around 1 teaspoon. Mix it properly to form a dough. Finally, we are going to add some chopped dark chocolate. So here I'm using 100 grams of dark chocolate which I've cut into squares. So now gently incorporate the chocolate into the dough. So this is how it looks. Divide the cookie dough into 16 equal portions and shape it into the form of cookie. Place it on a baking tray and make sure that it has enough space because the cookie will eventually spread. Now bake it for 15 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes, take the cookies out of the oven and allow it to cool down completely before you consume it. The cookies are completely cooled down and it is ready to be binged on. Make sure you do not touch the cookies when it is hot because it would be soft on the inside. So the cookie is crumbly and chewy and it has a nice gooey texture. If you want, you can bake for additional 5 minutes to make it more crispier like this one that I'm holding. So there are few tips that you have to keep in mind while baking these cookies. So first of all, your butter should always be in room temperature. It should be soft. And make sure that you use powdered sugar and not granulated because granulated sugar would be a bit difficult to work with. Also, always make sure that your oven is preheated while you're baking. So I've used Horlicks because during the lockdown period there was shortage of lot of goods, especially cocoa powder. So in the medical, Horlicks was available. So I thought, why not make the cookies using chocolate Horlicks, and it would be a different experience. And it turned out to be great. Since chocolate Horlicks also has vanilla extract in that, you also don't need vanilla extract in this recipe. You would have noticed I haven't used vanilla extract in this recipe. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Bake cookies, be happy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.